And good day everybody, how are you doing? So I just wanted to introduce you to Skip. He was one of my Cold Porcelain creations. I don't believe I have any of his creation actually saved because that was when the computer crashed, and well, we all know what happened back then. Since he has lived so long, I thought I would introduce you to little Skip here. Nothing special. This was done with the homemade glue. So that was awesome with the Cold Porcelain, and he stayed pretty hard. I mean, honestly, he has been through the ringer, so I am actually planning on doing something special for him. That's why he's being introduced as a wonderful character. He was fun. He was very fun. Oh, there we go. Let him sit there. I also made this little guy next to him. That was actually wrapped around a pencil and it stayed. So I was like, woohoo. So that's been with Skip. And I can't wait to introduce you to some more updates on him. And yeah, you guys have a great day. And always remember, try to find something happy. And I'll talk to you later. Bye.